What's going on, guys? My name is Kev, and in this video, I'm going to keep it really short, really sweet, because I'm actually building something as I speak right now, and I just found something out that is really important. And so if you're building any AI agents on n8n that need a lot of context, or in simpler words, are getting a lot of data, then switching to the Google Gemini model is absolutely game-changing. So this is my newest chief database RAG agent, which is one of the most exciting agents that I've built so far. And I'm going to show you guys the difference between how it works when we call the Gemini model and how it works when we call the most powerful OpenAI chat model. So first, we're going to actually delete the Gemini model, and we're going to add OpenAI 03, which is like the newest model. And we're going to click save. So I'm just going to send this prompt that says, check my social profile analytics for the week, check the social messages for the week and summarize it. Tell me the social post analytics. Tell me how my LinkedIn agent is performing so far, and summarize what the long form to shorts agent has done so far. And so that's 5 different tables in the database that this agent has connected to. And the first test, guys, we're going to do is with ChatGPT 03's model, and we're just going to see how it works. So it went and checked the social profile table, and we can see that it's only used 800 tokens so far. Let's see what happens next. So it just passed on to the social messages, guys, and just like that, it reached its rate limit. And so you may be thinking, oh, like I broke the automation or something like that, or so everything's broken. No, you have the wrong AI model. So let me show you how this workflow looks when we switch it to Gemini. We're just going to go to Gemini here. We're going to go into the models. And then before switching to the Google Gemini model here, guys, I can show you the dropdown of all the information about the different AI models on Gemini. And the Gemini 2.5 Flash model can take 1 million input tokens. And so that's more than enough tokens for this model to actually understand what's going on. And so we're just going to copy that model name and paste it into this chat. We're going to select the 1 million token model, and we're going to save that. It was just released this month, and we're going to click save. Now, that last time that we tested that entire prompt, it couldn't even reach the endpoint. It couldn't even give us a message back. Watch what happens here. So we send this in, and the Gemini model doesn't just use one of the tables, it pulls every single table at the same time, guys. And so last time we did with the ChatGPT model, it capped out at 33,000 tokens. Now this Gemini model, for whatever reason, has a 1 million input token context window, but you're gonna see here that it only uses like a couple thousand tokens to give this ridiculous response. So we're gonna just let it cook really quick, and you guys are gonna see this response. It's actually like absurd. Let's just give it a sec. All right, so just finished up. It only used 1,300 tokens, and its maximum that it could have used was literally 1 million. But guys, that's not the good part. The good part is this response. So here's what it says. Here's an analytical summary of your social media performance and agent activities for the past week. Facebook, your follower count remains stable at 2 with 0% growth, which is correct. Instagram, stable at 14, 0% growth, correct. Twitter has grown at 2.5%, which is correct. The YouTube has grown at 2.56%. It's all correct, right? And it broke that down, and then it moved on to the social post analytics, and it went through the actual posts that have been stored in the database. Right now, there's only been one post that's been stored, but it gave me the entire breakdown. Like, this breakdown is so good, guys, that it literally even told me the difference between the audience that watched the video. So they watched it on an average of 5 seconds, and the audience type was 85% male, 45% of them in Canada. Then we have the LinkedIn agent that is actually sending and getting requests on LinkedIn and growing our LinkedIn profile. And here it broke down that entire table. And so if we built an entire operating system for people and they needed to see how the entire operating system is working, then this type of agent is going to be very useful. We're going to make a better YouTube video about this agent in the future. But if you're building these type of systems, guys, Gemini 2.5 Flash is outrageous. Outrageous. I just want to let you guys know. Have a good one.